AI is pushing deeper into the real systems that run the world. From new frontier models like OpenAI's latest release to enterprise software, energy infrastructure, factories, and even farms, the technology is moving beyond experiments and becoming part of everyday operations. This episode looks at the signals showing how AI is expanding into critical sectors and what that means for the future. Welcome to Top 5 in 5, your weekly dose of the hottest AI updates, served in under 5 minutes. First up, OpenAI has launched GPT 5.4, its newest frontier AI model. The update introduces two versions, GPT 5.4 Thinking and GPT 5.4 Pro, designed for complex reasoning, professional tasks, and large-scale automation. One of the biggest upgrades is built-in computer interaction, allowing the model to interpret screenshots and issue keyboard or mouse commands to operate software. This signals the next step for AI systems. Instead of only generating text or code, models are starting to interact directly with computers and run workflows across applications. Next, HubSpot may be building its next AI growth engine. Analysts say the company is quietly integrating AI agents into its customer platform to automate marketing, sales, and support workflows. This push could help HubSpot expand into larger enterprise customers while increasing adoption of its multi-hub platform. The bigger shift here is how enterprise software is evolving. Instead of tools that employees operate, platforms are starting to include AI systems that perform the work themselves. If this model scales, software may increasingly act like a digital workforce rather than just a dashboard. Moving on, Big Tech says it will pay for the electricity needed to power AI data centers. Companies including Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, OpenAI, Oracle, and xAI have signed a pledge to cover the cost of new power generation and infrastructure tied to AI data centers. The move comes as governments face growing pressure over rising electricity prices and concerns that the AI boom could strain national power grids. This highlights a new challenge in the AI race: energy. Training and running large models requires enormous computing power, which translates into massive electricity demand. Tech companies are promising to fund new energy capacity, so households don't bear the cost. But analysts question how enforceable those commitments really are. Next, a former OpenAI research leader is trying to automate manufacturing. A new startup is building AI systems designed to run factories more autonomously, handling planning, logistics, and production optimization. The goal is to bring AI into the physical industrial world, where efficiency improvements can translate directly into economic impact. Manufacturing has always been a proving ground for automation. If AI can coordinate machines, supply chains, and production schedules in real time, it could reshape how factories operate globally. And finally, a farmer says AI is now essential to running his farm. Paul Westerway, a cattle farmer in Gloucestershire, uses AI-powered sensor tags on his cows that track movement and ear temperature, taking over 120 readings every minute. The system analyzes behavior patterns and sends alerts to his phone if something changes, helping detect illness or when cows are ready for breeding. This is a glimpse of how AI is quietly transforming traditional industries. Farming may seem far from Silicon Valley, but data and algorithms are increasingly becoming part of everyday agriculture. It shows how AI's real impact isn't always flashy. Sometimes it's simply making essential work run smoother. And that's a wrap. Hit subscribe for weekly updates and stay one step ahead in the world of AI. And stay tuned.